Let grow tilapia just like the one on the roadside, okay? Yes, if today is the first time here or you've been here before, welcome and welcome back to you. I'm going to share with you the easiest way you can make this and get done on time. This was very easy to put together and absolutely delicious. You can see how juicy they look, okay? Thank you so much. Now let's get straight to today's activity. I have with me here my peppers, different kinds of peppers. You can just use any pepper of your choice. You are good to go. I have my oil here, okay? Use any oil of your choice and it will perfectly work for you. I have some basil in there. I have ginger, garlic, and then my onions. Actually, today is the very first time and it has been the last time, okay? I used onion, okay? Yes, it was the first time I used onion, and since then I have never used any onion in my grilled tilapia recipe again. I think it is not necessary for a funny reason, which it is not necessary. So I added that rosemary you saw, blended everything, and this is what we are having. Actually, I did not want it very smooth like this, okay, but unfortunately we got it smooth, so we should use it like that. Yes, so I would just go ahead and then wait for a while, allow it to cook for some time. You can actually just smear this on the tilapia straight away without cooking it and you are good to go, but we are cooking it, okay? If you cook it, it is okay. If you do not cook it and then you smear it on it like that, it also works perfectly. Like I said earlier, I have so many ways I prepare the tilapia, and this is one of them, okay? I'll share with you another one that I did not fry it, but I did it in other way and it was very flavorful and delicious. So this is how the stew look like now, and it was very nice, okay? Add your salt or any seasoning of your choice, okay? But I added salt. Now I have my tilapia here. We need to work on it and clean it very well. Tilapia is not even only tilapia, fish. Fish is a type of protein that if you don't work on it very well or you don't prepare it very well, people find it very difficult to enjoy because like it's very fishy, okay? Yes, the smell. Emumu papa papa papa. Yes, in my language we say emumu, or yeah, that is just by the way. So you have to cook it very well, clean it very well, so that people will enjoy the fish they are eating. Do you get it? So we are going to clean it very well. Make sure you clean or you wash the mouth very well. When you put your finger there, you can see some slimy thing inside there, and trust me, that thing smells very bad. Not that I'm speaking bad about the fish, but I'm trying to let you know that you have to clean your fish very well so that people will enjoy, or when we visit you, we will enjoy your fish. It won't be something else. I ate some fish bipa somewhere. I don't think I will ever eat fish at that place again because it was bad. You could see that the thing looks good, but when you are eating, oh my goodness, it's something else. But I had to play along. Nenya, papa. Hey. And it makes it hard to enjoy. Even whether you like it or not, you have to eat it. It's very bad. So please make sure you clean your fish very well, okay? Now we are just going to make some marks on it, okay, so that when we smear the ingredients on the fish, it can penetrate very well for the fish to have taste. So that is what we are doing. If you want to cut all the fins and any other places, any parts that you don't want, you can go ahead and do so. But I usually remove only the grills and then shapes some part of the fins, and then I just continue from there. Yes. And also when you cut it this way, it helps you clean the inside as well, because like I said earlier, fish is something else. If you don't prepare it well, we find it very difficult to enjoy. So we got to do it very well. Now you can see perfect. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing to the others, or we are going to repeat it till we are done cleaning all the 50 pieces of tilapia. And it is not small job, but we got to do it. One bra windy, no pain, no gain. You got to work hard to enjoy. So now, after cleaning everything, cutting everything, this is where we've gotten to. I am just going to clean all the fish with my lemon juice. I will clean it one by one so that each will not have that fishy smell, and no one will complain that it is fishy or it does not taste good, it smells bad. Okay, yes, so clean it very well with the lemon, like how you are seeing on the screen. If you've watched me to this point, oh, you are so good and awesome. Okay, please do not forget to like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and let me know what you think about the recipe, and let me know how you prepare yours as well. And I'll be very happy to know if the video was helpful. Okay, yes, so I'll repeat the same thing till I am done with everything. And when I am done, we will get to the next procedure. Do well to remember to clean that grills. If you don't want to remove it or discard it, please clean it very well. You can see what is coming out. It has that slimy and some smell be just like what we have in the mouth. Okay, so wash it very well till the grills are not slimy anymore. That's what I'm trying to say. Wash the grills very well if you know remove it. Okay, now we are done. The next step is we are going to allow the fish to be in salt water. Okay, so without using the lemon, you can use your salt to wash your fish as well, but the lemon makes it easier. Okay, so we're going to allow this to be in salt water for about 10 minutes. It does not mean that we want it to taste good only. It is not because of the taste only, but it also helps it to clean the fishy smell as well. Now after that, we strain the water from it. We allow it to be on the charcoal. Okay, we grill it on the charcoal so that it can get that smoky smell or smoky aroma on the fish. I did that because I had a lot of things to do at that time. So if I sit and then rub the stew on this one by one, it is going to waste time. Okay, and I'm the only one doing all this, so I had to put other things on fire. Whilst they are on fire, I will then rub the stew on it. At that time, the fish is about 80% cooked. So if I rub the stew on it, it will take just a little time and it is ready. Then the other things on fire will also be ready. That is why I always do that. And then I want the smoky flavor as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. You can't afford to miss the next amazing recipe, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.